Brosner. I'm from Pennsylvania, and I just got LeafFilter about 3 months ago. Prior to having LeafFilter, we live in the woods in Pennsylvania in the Poconos, and it was a situation where every time it rained, my wife would run me to different parts of the house to see where our gutters were clogged and where was overflowing, because that meant within the next couple of days I was going to be out there on a ladder. And at 55, on a ladder is not the best place to be. So I would get the ladder, I would get up there, hold on, for dear life, 3 stories up, dig out the sludge and look for places to throw it, quite frankly. And it was one of the most terrifying things in the world. And unfortunately, no matter how many times we had our gutters cleaned, every time we had a massive rainstorm, it happened again. It happened again. It happened again. We spoke to a bunch of friends and neighbors who had used LeafFilter. We had them come in. They gave us a great story, explained all about their history and about all the recommendations that they have. And then from that, we had it done. It was installed in an afternoon. We went away to Boise, Idaho. We came back. It really hadn't rained too much this summer. And then all of a sudden, we got almost a month of rain. Not once did any of our gutters overflow. Not once have I had to get up on the ladder. And not once have I been petrified being 3 floors up, looking down at the ground, wondering how quick it's going to be for me to fall. So I definitely recommend LeafFilter. It's a fantastic product. I can tell you, you don't even notice it's there, and it's done a wonderful job. In fact, right now, every one of our gutters is constantly flowing clean. It's everything we could have asked for.